You are looking at Julien's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? There are two slightly different ways of pronouncing this word, not that you want to use it or you're going to use it very often, but it's important, okay? So, nonuplets. Nonuplets, that's in British English, nonuplets. Stress on the second syllable now. The Americans, in American English, it's said as nonuplets, okay? Nonuplets. It's the same difference as in the word new, okay? British would say new, while the Americans say new. So British English, nonuplets or nonuplets for the Americans. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.